Hey guys, well, no one commented on what error code this could cause, but it is an E07. It's water that gets into the zeolite heater container and gets down into the zeolite fan. You have to replace that whole spray arm tube. That's the part number for the spray arm tube for this model. First thing you got to do is get a wet dry vac and a towel and create suction on that piece on the side. That goes down into the fan. Once you've gotten a bunch of water out of there, you start taking the sump apart. There's two screws that hold that piece down, and they're actually Torx bits. Then there's two clamps that hold it in the middle and two clamps that hold it at the top. I didn't really get a good video doing that. And then you've got to take this bottom piece off of that spray arm tube as well. It's pretty difficult to get that off of there, but I use a little screwdriver. And then you just pop the new one in place. It goes over the little hole in the sump first, and then you can clip it back into the clips. There you can see the clips in the middle. Put the screws back in, and I tighten the other two screws that are down there around the sump as well. And is how you fix the E07 zeolite fan error when you find the base of that spray arm tube with a hole in it. The spray arm tube is exactly the same as the new one. The old one and the new one are exactly the same, but they did provide a little piece that goes over the base of the new one to try to help prevent that. I've never had to replace one after putting that on there, so hopefully it solves the problem. Thanks for watching. Follow, like, subscribe, and I'll have some links in the description.